Have you noticed how your energy just isn't the same as it used to be? Nights feel longer and more restless. Bathroom trips seem never-ending. And intimacy can feel more like a struggle than a source of joy. For many men over 60, these issues quietly creep into daily life. And too often, they're accepted as just part of aging. But here's the surprising truth. It doesn't have to be this way. Much of what you're experiencing may come down to one small but powerful gland, the prostate. Science now shows that natural foods, especially certain fruits, can play a huge role in restoring comfort, energy, and confidence. That's right. Something as simple as what you put on your plate each day can influence your prostate health in profound ways. Now, before we dive deeper, let me ask you, have you ever found yourself thinking that waking up multiple times each night to use the bathroom is just normal at your age? Or that low energy and intimacy struggles are simply the price of getting older? If so, you're not alone. But as you'll soon see, those beliefs might be holding you back from the relief you deserve. So stay with me, because in this video, we're going to explore how your prostate changes as you age, the 5 most powerful fruits proven to support prostate health, and the simple daily steps that can help you reclaim restful nights, stronger energy, and renewed vitality. And by the end, you'll see why small changes at the table can create big improvements in how you feel every day. Let's start by looking inside the body. The prostate is a small gland, about the size of a walnut, that surrounds the urethra, the tube that carries urine from your bladder. Its main job is producing seminal fluid. But as men age, the prostate often enlarges. This condition, called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, affects more than half of men by the age of 60. Why does this happen? 3 major reasons. First, hormonal changes. As testosterone levels naturally decline, estrogen becomes relatively higher, which stimulates prostate growth. Second, chronic inflammation. Low-grade inflammation, common in aging, contributes to swelling and stiffness in the gland. And third, oxidative stress. Tiny unstable molecules called free radicals that damage prostate cells over time. Together, these factors cause the prostate to press against the urethra, leading to weaker urine flow, the nagging feeling of incomplete emptying, and those frustrating nighttime wake-ups. But here's the encouraging part. Specific nutrients found in everyday fruits can directly calm inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and support hormone balance. Clinical studies even show that men who eat these fruits regularly often experience fewer bathroom trips at night, stronger flow, and better overall energy. Unlike medications, which sometimes bring side effects like dizziness or sexual dysfunction, these foods strengthen the body from within, naturally and gently. So which fruits are the most powerful for your prostate? Let's walk through 5 of the best: cranberries, red grapes, apples, avocados, and tomatoes, and how each can make a real difference in your life. Cranberries are well known for women's urinary health, but they also benefit men. They contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that reduce swelling inside the prostate and improve urinary flow. In fact, one study found that men who took cranberry extract reduced inflammation markers by nearly 30% within 6 months. And I've seen similar results in men who simply added a glass of pure cranberry juice to their daily routine. Within weeks, nighttime trips decreased dramatically. Next up, red grapes. These sweet, juicy fruits are rich in resveratrol, a compound that balances hormones, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation. Harvard researchers highlight resveratrol's ability to protect blood vessels, something that supports not just heart health, but also prostate function and even intimacy. Just 1 to 2 cups of whole grapes each day can provide this benefit, especially when you eat them with the skin on, where most of the resveratrol is found. Third, apples. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. For prostate health, that might be more true than you think. Apples are rich in quercetin, a powerful flavonoid that calms overactive prostate cells, easing pressure on the bladder. 1 or 2 apples daily, skin included, can help reduce swelling and restore comfort. And if you can choose organic varieties, since that's where most of the beneficial compounds are concentrated. Fourth, avocados. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that support testosterone production, along with beta-sitosterol, a plant compound shown to reduce urinary symptoms in multiple studies. In practice, I've seen men who added just half an avocado a day report fewer bathroom trips and stronger flow within a couple of months. And if avocados aren't always available, alternatives like pumpkin seeds or olive oil can offer similar support. And finally, tomatoes. These may be the single most studied fruit for prostate health. They're rich in lycopene, the antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene accumulates in prostate tissue, where it helps lower PSA levels and protects cells from damage. Over 100 clinical trials have linked regular tomato consumption with better urinary function. For maximum benefit, cook your tomatoes. Heat makes lycopene up to 4 times more absorbable, and pair them with a healthy fat like olive oil. Now here's where the real magic happens. When you combine these 5 fruits, cranberries, grapes, apples, avocados, and tomatoes, you create what nutritionists call food synergy. Each nutrient works together, creating a stronger protective effect than any single food alone. It's like building a shield around your prostate, one bite at a time. And here's a key takeaway: consistency matters. You won't see results overnight, but when these fruits become part of your weekly routine, most men notice real improvements within 6 to 12 weeks. Better sleep, fewer bathroom interruptions, stronger energy, sometimes even a renewed sense of intimacy and confidence. So let me ask you, could you start by adding just one of these fruits to your meals each day? Maybe a handful of grapes with lunch, a sliced avocado on toast, or a bowl of tomato soup with dinner. Small changes like these can set you on the path to long-term relief and vitality. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our Healthy Body community. We share evidence-based, practical tips every week designed to help men over 60 restore energy, improve intimacy, and protect long-term health. Now let's bring it all together. An enlarged prostate doesn't just affect your bladder, it affects your whole life. Your sleep, your energy, your confidence, even your relationships. But the good news is, you have more control than you may realize. By focusing on the right foods, you're not just treating symptoms, you're addressing the root causes. Remember the 5 fruits. Cranberries to fight inflammation, grapes to support circulation and balance hormones, apples to ease swelling, avocados to fuel testosterone and energy, and tomatoes to protect and repair prostate tissue. Affordable, accessible, and easy to add into your daily meals. And don't forget, these dietary changes work best when paired with other healthy habits. Stay active, hydrate consistently throughout the day, eat balanced meals, and prioritize good sleep. Together, these habits create a strong foundation for lasting health. Your body isn't failing, it's responding to how you care for it. By choosing foods that support your prostate, you're choosing better energy, deeper rest, and renewed vitality. And most importantly, you're investing in your quality of life for years to come. If you know someone quietly struggling with these issues, share this video with him. It may be the encouragement he needs to take action. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Healthy Body for more trusted guidance to keep you strong, energetic, and confident well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. I'm Dr. Alex, and I want to thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, small choices at the table can lead to big changes in your life. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and take care of yourself.